When you're working with terminals, the terminals are also recorded along with the rest of your activities in Jupyter. So let's pretend that we wanted to check out our run code button. So the run code button by default is running this Python command, which runs Python against a file that's persisted from this code cell here. So just to check that out, we'll change this and code. And now it says angle is, we've updated the Python code. Now, suppose we update this graffiti. And we're going to make a new recording. And we're going to tell the student that they can actually type this command by either pressing run code, or they can hand type it in the shell. Use example.py. And you can say, this is the same command. You can see whether you manually type it or whether you press the run code button. And we've made this recording. It's now persisted. And now when a student plays it back, and we're going to tell the student that they can actually type this command by either pressing run code or they can hand type it in the shell. And so you can see example.py graffiti that's playing back. You can say, this is the same command. You can see whether you manually type it or the graffiti that's playing back is running everything back that you did in the shell. So you can record all your shell activities along with your editing in cells or clicking, etc.